Hi everybody, I am here to explain what you need to do today. So this is on Classroom for you. You have a choice. You can either do this on paper or you can do this on the iPad using iMovie, the trailer, okay? We're keeping it simple, so do whatever you think is the easiest for you to do in one class period. I really don't want you guys to have to take this home, especially if you're doing a trailer. It's really tricky to take this home. So let's knock it out together in this class period, okay? So what you want to do, we've been focusing on Haiti, Mexico, and Simón Bolívar, right? And how they're using the Enlightenment ideas to push for freedom. So what you want to do is you want to recruit someone to the cause, okay? Now, we've done already quite a bit on Haiti, so I'm going to encourage us here. We're going to try something different. We're going to go with either Simón Bolívar or the revolution in Mexico, or we're also going to throw in the mix Dom Pedro and what's going on in Brazil. So this is an individual assignment. You're going to do it on your own. Here's your choices. Choice 1, what's going on in Mexico? How does Father Miguel Hidalgo and Father Jose Morelos get independence in Mexico? Number 2, Simón Bolívar and Jose de San Martin's revolution in Venezuela and South America. And number 3, Dom Pedro's role in securing the independent country of Brazil. So you want to pick one of these. You want to pick one of these. And this is in topic 5, section 3 of our book. Okay, it's also in our notes. We got all kinds of notes for you on Classroom. You want to include what I'm looking for, a call to action. So on your poster, you want to give people a reason to join you. If you're doing Mexico, why should people follow Father Miguel Hidalgo, okay? Why should somebody listen to Simón Bolívar if you live in Venezuela? You want to give an explanation of how people can help. So what can they do to help you? Think about how they could stand up against the Spanish. And then how do you see Enlightenment ideas in this revolution? Try to throw that into your recruitment poster. So your recruitment poster should make us want to join you. I should look at that poster and I should be like, yes, I'm going to put down my books. I'm going to go join that revolution right now. You want it to be kind of colorful, you know, have some information, but like jump off the page and really be persuasive. Same thing with your trailer. If you're going to do a trailer, how can you convince people to join with you? So you want to use your textbook. I'll put some page numbers on the board for you. And I have some required videos that are going to help you too. And they're short, but they're really important. So if you pick option 1 on Mexico, you want to check out this roughly 2-minute clip here. If you're going to do option 2, Simón Bolívar, you want to watch this clip. It's about 3.5 minutes, 8 to the end. It's going to help you get some information. If you're going to do Dom Pedro in Brazil, you want to check out this little clip by Mr. Mulaney. He gives a nice explanation of who Dom Pedro was and how Brazil ends up getting its independence from Portugal. All right? So when you're done, you're going to put this on Classroom. If it's a trailer, you're going to, put in your drive, share it to me on Classroom. Or if you're doing paper, then you can just turn it in when you're done. I will make sure we have some paper. We got lots of markers. Be creative. Have a little fun. Check out the assignment here. You got the whole period to work on it. I'm excited to see what you guys come up with.